kid, I could do that.
All right, guys. So I brought it to my guy over here, Don. Works on Corvettes. He, what do you do to your mufflers? You pretty much gut them out, don't you?
Yeah, I rebuild them.
Man, he's got.
Muffler mod on them.
He does a badass muffler mod that I want to do sooner than later. So what's going on with my car is the suspension is off. This is higher than this side. See how this one's lower? So it comes with lowering bolts. I bought some new ones. He's gonna check it out.
Yeah, see how much it is. I got a partner over there for it.
Okay.
And I'll give you a price on
And then my clutch reservoir is like, oof. Yeah.
So you want to do a Ranger on it?
It's what do you call that?
Ranger method.
Just suck it out. Yeah.
Suck it out. It takes about like 5 or 6 times.
Can you take care of that, guys? So if you guys have a low car, he can do it. He'll take care of it.
My car's a lot lower than yours.
His car is a lot lower. Let's check out his car right now. Well, Grand Sport, huh?
Yeah. Nothing special.
Nothing. His is way lower than mine. And once you change that, I mean, I can kind of adjust it too, right? It'll be easier. Or,
it'll be way easier.
Right now, they're just shot, man.
Yeah, they're being stuck. That's common.
I'm gonna leave it to you, man. He's gonna take me back to the store. There's a lot of customers. I'm gonna be there by myself today. What are we going in? Are you wanna go in that one, in the truck, or?
Get a nice car. You don't want to fuck it up. All that kind of good stuff. Work that I've been getting in were cars from other shops going over other people's work.
Oh.
That's, and I don't, they try to tell me the details of it. I was like, I don't even want to know the details. I don't want to get into that drama. No. It's like, just bring it to your time, no problems, you got nothing.
Yeah, I mean, what's done is done.
Yeah. I was like, I ain't here to bash other shops. I ain't here to do anything like that. I'll do you right.
going on, guys? So I received an order today, I.detail products. They're the company that sell me bead maker. I got bead maker, I got some interior cleaners, brake buster for the wheels. Check it out. Last month was tax month. Uncle Sam wanted his money, so it took a little chunk, a good chunk of my my income, but we're steadily getting back on our feet. I made an order with I.detail. I just made a huge order with chemical guys. I have almost everything with chemical guys coming in: soaps, quick detailers, interior detailers. I got a lot of their 16 ounces. I didn't buy a bunch of gallons. I just bought a bunch of 16 ounces, so that's coming in. It's been busy. And I'm bringing them out of the box and I'm putting them in the system. Or Juan's probably gonna put them in the system. I'm just gonna price them out, put them on the shelves, and then he could put them in the system. So that's what I'll be doing right now. We are more of a supply store than anything. We are a supply store. We do wash. Thank everybody that calls us and wants a wash. And I tell them no. I apologize. We are not a wash service per se. I take on jobs just because I want to promote the products. And I like washing, you know, but I am more focused on my store than I am over there. Check out the CTSV wagon. Came to get some products. He's going to Maine. He's working out in Maine. 36 hours, you said?
36 hours. Gotta get it right.
Yeah, you do. Tag me, all right, when you're out there. But let me take out this representing I.detail.
Give you a little bit of.
Appreciate it, man. All right, bro. You have a good one, man.
I'll tag you on that picture.
Please, please. You be safe, man.
Appreciate it.
We washed it, we clayed it. Now we're gonna bring it inside and do the rest of the work. We're gonna wax it. We're gonna air blow all the crevices. So go ahead and stretch out that hose. Get this right here because this can fall over onto the truck. Call those pinch points.
Stretched out?
Okay, so it's stretched out. I'm gonna turn it on and just kind of, we're not trying to dry it completely. We're just trying to knock out all the water from like the lug nuts, the tires. You feel it? That's 4 horsepower, and this is gonna be 8 horsepower. Ready? Okay. So we got these for sale, chemical guys, matte renew. We're gonna hit the plastics. We already cleaned the inner door wells. We'll give it a wax now. So let's go ahead and use, let me see, grab that Adams. That one, yeah, that one's good. So we're scrubbing the plastics. He had a lot of white residue. This truck was painted. He said it took about 1.5 years to get painted. He finally got it back. Yeah, he said 1.5 years. Yeah, but looks good. They wet sanded it. Everything looks good, but it's just a little bit dirty. So make sure you hit us up whenever you get your rides painted, because they do come out a little crusty. But he had white residue all over his interior, and we're just kind of touching it up, giving it a scrub down. We're done with the washing. We're done with the claying. We're gonna go ahead and throw a wax on it. Well, actually a polymer. I'm gonna put Jescar Power Lock Plus. It's a polymer sealant. This stuff is legit. I have these for sale. These are in stock. Let me show you. They're $34.99 for a 16 ounce. You only need a couple drops to do like a big panel, so you'll get a lot in a 16 ounce. But this is what we're gonna use. Now that we applied the polymer, we let it cure for about 30 minutes, and now it's time to buff off. I don't know if you can see the haziness, that's the product itself, but this stuff comes off real cleanly. I'm gonna start where I started, double positive, but this is how easily it comes off. No effort, less chances of scratches because you're not putting a lot of pressure. Now it just feels real slick. Check that out.
I'll be back next week for some more. So we'll start seeing a lot more of that car.